Hi, I'm Alexa Riley. Um, I, sorry, um, I'm from Connecticut and I'm living in Boston right now, but this summer I'll be studying in Brazil, so I'm moving around a little bit. I'm the oldest of five kids. One of my brothers is 2 years younger than me, and the others are triplets and they're 15, and they all live in Connecticut with my parents. I just graduated from Tufts yesterday as a biology and international relations double major because I'm really interested in learning about the environment, both from a policy and a science perspective. I recently decided to change my career path to become a veterinarian. So I'm taking this biochemistry course so that I can apply to that school and be able to have some control over the scheduling of the course so that I'll be able to study biochemistry while I'm doing my Portuguese scholarship this summer. Some of my hobbies are hiking, running, and pretty much anything outside. I recently started climbing indoors, which I also love. I also really like drawing and reading, although I haven't had a lot of time for that during undergrad. So now that I graduated, I'm hoping I'll have more time to read and draw. Um, some music that I like to listen to, I like Hosier, Rosalia, Red Hot Chili Peppers. And then for TV shows, right now I'm watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine, so I like that. And a fun fact about me is I have a pet gecko who lives with me here in Boston and is going to move in with my family in Connecticut when I leave Tufts in a week. So I'm excited to watch all your videos and learn more about all of you too.